definite major purpose. In real life, you always have choices. What is that thing that you really, really want? Not something that you wish, but something that you cannot live without accomplishing. In the game, if you land here, rejoice. You are closer to getting out of this vicious circle where you are just living without direction and risking losing everything in a few months. You must draw a card from the definite major purpose deck. The rule is that you must have 3 definite major purpose cards to choose from. Keep playing until you get the rest, or perhaps you land in the golden space, where you can draw all cards simultaneously and the action plan.
Getting out of the taxiway. Once you complete your 3 definite major purpose cards, you must choose one, keep it. Then you can return the other 2 back to the deck. For here, you will continue playing until you land on the action plan. That means you know what you want and are prepared to go get it. Action plan. This box is only activated after your 3 definite major purpose cards, and it is the last requirement to leave the taxiway. Nothing happens if you get to land before in this space. You just stay there to wait for your next turn.